Ever dreamed of writing a book but thought it would take months, or even years? What if I told you that in 2025, you can write an entire book in less than an hour using AI? And not just any book, a high-quality, well-researched, and profitable one? That's right, you heard me. We're talking about potentially quitting your job, becoming your own boss, and raking in passive income while you sleep. All thanks to the power of AI. Stick around because today, I'm revealing the exact step-by-step method I use to write books with AI, faster than ever before. And trust me, this is going to be huge. Alright guys, let's kick things off with the most important part. Choosing the right AI tool for the job. There are a bunch of AI writing tools out there, but let me tell you, not all AIs are created equal. You want something that's specifically designed for authors. Something that can help you research book topics, generate killer outlines, write entire chapters with sources, and even format your book for publishing. That's where Dibbly Create comes in. Seriously, this thing is a game changer. It's like having a team of expert writers and editors at your fingertips 24/7. Dibbly Create is super user-friendly, even if you've never used AI before. They've got tons of tutorials and support to get you started. And the best part? They offer a free trial so you can test it out risk-free. I'm telling you, once you go Dibbly, you'll never go back. Now let's dive into the good stuff. We're about to unlock the secrets to writing a book that'll make you more money than you ever thought possible. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, so you've got your AI secret weapon, Dibbly Create. Now let's talk about choosing a book topic that's going to make you some serious cash. The key here is to find a high-demand niche. You want a topic that people are already searching for, something they're hungry for information on. Let me give you an example. Decluttering. Everyone's trying to simplify their lives these days, right? So, a book on decluttering your home, your finances, or even your digital life could be a goldmine. Think about it. People are making millions selling physical products on Amazon. Now imagine selling digital products like eBooks that cost you almost nothing to produce. The profit margins are insane. And the beauty of Amazon KDP, that's Kindle Direct Publishing, is that it's completely free to publish your book. They handle all the printing and distribution, and you get a cut of every sale. So, how do you find a profitable niche? Easy. Start by thinking about your own interests and passions. What are you knowledgeable about? What problems can you help people solve? Once you've got a few ideas, head over to Amazon and see what's already selling well in those categories. Check out the bestsellers, read the reviews, and see what people are saying. This will give you a good idea of what's in demand and what kind of competition you're up against. Alright, so you've got your AI sidekick Dibbly Create, and you've picked a killer niche that's going to make it rain cash money. Now it's time to unleash the power of Dibbly's research tool to blow your competition out of the water. We're not just talking about skimming through a few Wikipedia articles here. We're going deep undercover, like secret agents on a mission to uncover the hidden desires of your target audience. Dibbly's research tool lets you analyze all the top-performing books in your niche on Amazon. We're talking about extracting every juicy detail, what readers loved, what made them rage quit, and everything in between. Think of it like this. You're basically downloading the brains of all your competitors and using their knowledge to create a book that's 10 times better than anything else out there. With Dibbly, you can quickly identify the common themes, subtopics, and even writing styles that are resonating with readers. You'll discover the secret sauce that makes these books bestsellers. But it gets even better. Dibbly's research tool also uncovers the gaps in your niche, the unanswered questions, the missing pieces of information that readers are craving. This is your golden opportunity to create a book that's not only informative and engaging, but also completely unique and irreplaceable. By tapping into the power of Dibbly's research tool, you're not just writing a book, you're crafting a masterpiece that's guaranteed to dominate the charts and make you the king or queen of your niche. Chapter 4. Crafting a Killer Book. Title: How to Make Readers Click Like Crazy. Alright folks, it's time to talk about the first impression your book makes on potential readers, the title. This is where you gotta bring your A game because a killer title can be the difference between a bestseller and a book that collects virtual dust bunnies in the depths of Amazon. But don't worry, you've got Dibbly Create by your side, and it's packing some serious heat in the title department. Dibbly's title generator is like having a brainstorming session with a room full of marketing geniuses, except it's way faster and you don't have to deal with any awkward small talk. Just plug in your book's topic and watch as Dibbly churns out a smorgasbord of catchy, SEO-friendly title ideas that'll have readers clicking like crazy. We're talking about titles that are clear, concise, and benefit-driven. Titles that grab attention, pique curiosity, and make it crystal clear what your book is about and how it's going to change readers' lives. For example, let's say you're writing a book about decluttering your home. Dibbly might come up with titles like Clutter-Free Living, the ultimate guide to a stress-free home from chaos to calm, transform your home in 30 days. The minimalist guide to decluttering, simplify your life and find freedom. See what I mean? These titles are catchy, informative, and make you want to click and learn more. Chapter 5. Creating a detailed book outline. The roadmap to writing success. Okay, we've got our AI secret weapon, our money-making niche, and a killer title that's gonna have readers clicking like crazy. Now, it's time to build the backbone of your book, the outline. Think of your outline as the roadmap to writing success. It's going to keep you on track, organized, and prevent you from getting lost in the weeds of your own brilliant ideas. But let's be real, outlining can be a total drag. It's like trying to herd cats. Your thoughts are all over the place, and you're not sure where to start. That's where Dibbly Create swoops in to save the day with its magical outline generator. This thing is a lifesaver. Just plug in your book's topic and watch as Dibbly creates a comprehensive outline, complete with chapter summaries, subsections, and even reference links to relevant research and articles. It's like having a team of expert organizers working tirelessly behind the scenes to structure your thoughts and create a clear, logical flow for your book. And here's the best part. Dibbly's outline generator allows you to easily move chapters around, add or delete sections, and customize the outline to fit your vision perfectly. You're in complete control, but you've got Dibbly's AI brainpower there to assist you every step of the way. With Dibbly's outline generator, you'll go from staring at a blank page with dread to having a rock-solid roadmap for your book in minutes. Chapter 6. Writing the book. The fastest way from blank page to bestseller. Alright folks, it's time to unleash the full power of Dibbly Create and witness the magic of AI-powered writing. We're talking about going from a blank page to a fully fleshed out book faster than you can say passive income. With Dibbly's content writer, you can kiss writer's block goodbye. This bad boy churns out high-quality original content at lightning speed, complete with sources and citations, so you can rest assured that your book is not only engaging, but also credible and well-researched. Just feed Dibbly your chapter outline, sit back, and watch as the words flow effortlessly onto the screen. It's like having a personal ghostwriter at your beck and call 24/7, without the hefty price tag. But here's the best part. Dibbly's content writer doesn't just spit out generic, robotic text. It's designed to mimic your unique writing style, tone, and voice, so your book sounds like it was written by a human, a very, very efficient human, with access to an endless supply of coffee and creative inspiration. And don't worry about being stuck with AI-generated text that doesn't quite hit the mark. Dibbly makes it super easy to edit, tweak, and polish the content to your liking. You have complete control over the final product, but Dibbly does the heavy lifting, saving you countless hours of writing and research. Chapter 7. Formatting like a pro, turning your masterpiece into a polished gem. Congratulations, my friend, you've written a book. You've poured your heart and soul into creating something truly special, and now it's time to present it to the world in all its glory. But before you hit that publish button, there's one crucial step we need to talk about. Formatting. I know, formatting doesn't sound as exciting as brainstorming killer chapter titles or watching Dibbly Create work its magic. But trust me, professional formatting is essential if you want your book to be taken seriously and compete with the big dogs in the publishing world. Think about it. Would you rather read a book that's beautifully laid out with crisp fonts, consistent spacing, and a visually appealing design, or one that looks like it was thrown together in a rush with zero regard for aesthetics? Yeah, I thought so. The good news is that you don't need to be a tech whiz or a graphic design guru to format your book like a pro. Dibbly Create has got your back with its super intuitive export tool. This bad boy takes all the guesswork out of formatting, transforming your manuscript into a polished gem that's ready to be uploaded to Amazon KDP or any other publishing platform. Dibbly's export tool handles all the technical stuff, like margins, bleeds, page numbers, and table of contents, so you don't have to stress about the nitty-gritty details. You did it! Now go crush it! You guys are incredible! By now you've got all the tools and knowledge you need to write a book faster than you ever thought possible, and I'm willing to bet you're already picturing yourself on the bestseller list, swimming in a pool of royalties like Scrooge McDuck. But here's the thing, knowledge is useless without action. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, unleash your inner author, and show the world what you're made of. And don't forget to let me know when you hit that publish button. I can't wait to read your masterpiece and celebrate your success.